Time to get started on this tranny mount. If you were to look between the transmission and the transfer case, you're going to see a cross member with the mount right up there. If you were to look up through this hole, you're going to see two 15mm nuts. Remove the pair. So now we're going to take a jack with a nice piece of wood and come right underneath this transfer case right here. Let's go ahead and carefully jack it up, and you're going to watch these studs pull up. Okay, that's as high up as it's going to want to go. At this point, if you were to look up along the top where the mount mounts to the transmission, we're going to remove those 15mm bolts as well. Using a 15mm and a ratchet, go ahead and remove these bolts. Do the same to the other one. Get that one out of there. Now we're just going to see about rolling this right out of here. There it is, friends. Okay, let's get ready for an install. We're going to go ahead and put in those studs first, roll it right in. Now I'm going to take my bolts. We'll start both of them into the transmission before we tighten either of them down completely. Okay, both are started. Let's snug them up. Okay, just make sure it's nice and tight, and do the same to the other side. Let's go ahead and torque those upper bolts. We're going to torque them to 49 foot-pounds. Do the same to the other side. Now it's time to lower the unit. You're going to see those studs dropping down through the cross member. Go ahead and put on those nuts. Let's go ahead and bottom these out. Torque them to 41 foot-pounds. Do the same to the other one. Torqued.